Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 7th chapter, that is weather, climates and adaptation in animals. In previous classes already I have told that different zones or the climate zones of the earth, yes, and a polar zones, how like the polar regions and how the equator regions and how the hot regions are, that already I have discussed. According to that regions, how they are more cold is there, more hot is there, where the more heavy rains are there in equator, already I have discussed in the previous video. But friends, today we are going to discuss about that adaptations of animals in the different places for different regions. Okay, how they are adapting. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about the adaptation in animals, that is polar bear. Adaptations in polar bear. How, what is the features, what are the body parts, how can it will exist, what are the future special features of that body, we have to discuss in this. So especially today we are going to discuss about that polar bear, about what are the adaptation, how that body structures, how it is exist, how can it will be survive their life, we have to discuss. So first of all, first one, dear students, the body has a white fur which helps to protect from the predators and it also helps in catching prey. Students, its body is just like the fur that is made by the fur. Fur means you know that very well, friends. Suppose that color, that is also white color. Okay, that body skins like that, our hairs are there, and it is color is what is that white color. Friends, when if it the color white color, then it is just matching with the ice. Okay, snow with it will be equal. That means that predators cannot see easily. Okay, cannot identify where is that bear, so it can hide or it can adjust in the snow. Okay, so that is also it is helping protecting, and also it can easily can catch the prey also, because the prey cannot identify whether that bears are coming, that polar that predators are coming and catching to me, so easily cannot identify because it is matching with the snow. Its body parts or body force, that skin white color, and it is matching with the snow. Second point, the fur has two layers. It helps to protect from the extremely cold surroundings. Which means that body, that fur, it has the made that it is also having the two layers. One is hair layer and another one skin layer, one thick layer is there. Which one is protecting that water from the cold? Where that cold surroundings are there, regions are heavy cold is there, that it is protecting. It gives the warm, because under that skin that fats are there, and it helps into that, gives that warm to the body, and it is specially it is protecting the cold from the cold. Okay, next, it can close its nostril. This feature helps to animal during the swimming. By closing nostril, it can remain underwater for a long periods. Special one, best and important features it has. What friends, do you know? If suppose we will go to water, just we will close our air and we will control our air and we will deep in the water, or we can swim. But long times we cannot deep in the water. But polar bear can exist or can stay for a long period, for a long time in the water, under the water, because the nostril cannot, that through that nostril water cannot enter, because that nostril is one cover there, it will be closed. Okay, that is one special feature for of that water bear, polar bear, which one can help into that to stay in the long time in the water. It has a strong sense of smell that helps to locating the prey from a distance. Students, whenever it is searching that prey, it has one it can identify in the surroundings nearby whether the prey is there or not. Okay, so whenever it is searching that prey, it can easily can find out surroundings or nearby where is that prey, easily can identify by the smell, because it has one big nice smell, that sense of smell is there, strong sense of smell. By that it can helps, or vision helps to that to catch the prey, or we can identify the locating the prey. Next, its paws are flat and broad, which helps to the walk on the ice. Friends, it is paws. Paws means what are the legs having that palm like that. We can say palm also, that are having the flat leg, and which one easily can climb or easily can walk on the ice. So like that, these are the special features of the body parts or body of the polar bear, which one can help to that adaptation in that polar region. Okay, so that's why it is called as a polar bear. But that polar bear cannot exist in the our surroundings, because according to the adaptation of the body, adaptation of the surround, that cannot exist. Okay students, so other some parts are special features are there, you can see in your books and you can also read and remember. Okay, next we will go for adaptation in penguin. Friends, penguin, where you have seen that it is northern Antarctica side, that you can see that our that is specially cold regions, you can see that penguin. So its body is white color from the underside and it merges well with the white background snow. Friends, its body structure also made just what is the skins, and it is also body as like a white that polar bears, same like penguins also body is just white color, and it is matching with that also with the snow like. Okay, and with the background snow. It has a thick skin and a thick layer of fat under the skin. This feature helps to the protect from the cold. So it has also one thick layer of the skin, and which are helping or it gives that warmth to body, and it is helping that what it is protecting from the cold. The body is streamlined and the feet have the waves. Both these features help in the swimming. Students, you have seen that fish streamlined means what? First face head part, that it will be like a narrow, and the body middle of that wide, and then tail that end part is narrow. So that means can easily can pass. You have seen that fish you can see that head part is narrow like, okay, pointed. So that is called as a streamlined. Okay, you can see that bird, you can see that fish. These are the body structure streamlined body. Streamlined body means that fastest face, head face is just what like a narrow face. You can see that like this. Okay, so this like structure is called as a streamlined structure. This is okay. When the narrow structures are like that, you can easily can swim, and also it's a, and also feet have the waves like a duck like that can climb swimming in the water. So it has also like a wave feet. Like polar bears, penguins also have very small ears, which have helped the animal to retain much heat and possible. And also it has also very small ears, and also it can help to that water have very small ears, which helps the animal to retain the much heat and possible. More heat can receive and can achieve that. So that's why this is just equal like to that also polar bears. Okay students, so these are the adaptation of the penguin, and these are specially these animals are living in that polar regions, and especially Antarctica, or that regions are where the snows are more cold area. Okay, thank you all of students, and next we will discuss about that what are the adaptation of the birds also we will discuss, but in the next video. So every point you have write in your notebooks and read also. Thank you, have a nice day.